Hey there! In today's video, I'll show you how to take the bus from San Diego International Airport to the Gaslamp Quarter and Convention Center in downtown San Diego. This guide will be helpful for anyone who is staying in downtown or visiting the Convention Center for events such as Comic-Con. We begin our trip here in the baggage claim for Terminal 2. The San Diego Airport has 2 terminals, and this guide will be the same no matter if you start in Terminal 1 or 2. If you're only taking this one trip, you can just tap your credit or debit card directly on the bus. But if you're planning on taking 3 or more trips on public transport, I would recommend getting a PRONTO Card to take advantage of the $6 day pass. To obtain a PRONTO Card, you can either download the PRONTO app and create an account, or use a kiosk in the arrivals area near the information booth and follow the prompts. A single ride is $2.50 one way with free transfers for 2 hours. You can use either cash, credit, or debit to pay for the card. There is a $2 fee for the physical PRONTO Card, but it is reloadable, so hang on to it for future trips. Each rider will need their own PRONTO Card, so keep that in mind when purchasing. Children 5 and under ride for free every day, and on weekends, children 12 and under are also free. After purchasing your card, head outside to the curb and turn right to walk towards the international arrivals. I think the San Diego Airport does a great job of immediately making you feel like you're on a vacation after stepping outside. Probably helps having perfect weather year-round too. There are 3 stops at the airport, 1 stop at Terminal 1 and 2 stops at Terminal 2. I find the last stop, which is the one we're walking to now, is the best because most people who rode in on the bus have hopped off by now. If you want to see what it's like to take the bus to the airport, I'll have a video out soon, so please subscribe to be the first to know. The walk from baggage claim takes about 2 minutes and is step-free. Look for the bus shelter with a large MTS logo. The bus we're taking today is Route 992. There is a large schedule board with a photo of what the city bus looks like, the schedule of the 15-minute frequencies, and the fare information that I covered earlier. Do note that this stop also serves the inter-terminal shuttle, but that is well marked and looks more like a hotel shuttle than a city bus. After a short wait, our bus pulls up. Remember to tap your PRONTO or credit card on the fare reader. If you're using the app, there's a scanner underneath for the QR code. This route has an exclusive fleet of Gillig low-floor 40-foot buses, with an added luggage rack in the middle of the bus. I love when transit that serves airports have luggage racks, making the journey much less stressful. If you require step-free boarding, the bus can kneel and extend a ramp at the front door. Just ask the friendly driver. I would like to nominate this route as the most scenic airport bus route in the world. Almost the entire journey runs along the San Diego Bay. The San Diego Airport is extremely close to downtown, and the bus ride takes about 15 minutes to reach Santa Fe Depot, which is where we'll be transferring today. Make sure to pull the yellow cord when your stop is announced to alert the driver.
Stop requested.
This bus stops across from the Santa Fe Depot, which is a major transportation hub. This station serves the Amtrak Pacific Surfliner, North County Transit District's Coaster Commuter Rail, and the San Diego Trolley Light Rail. We will be connecting here to the San Diego Trolley Light Rail, which will take us to the Gaslamp Quarter. Remember, you get a free 2-hour transfer with the PRONTO Card, so this will be included. This station building is my favorite in the US. It was opened in 1915 to accommodate travelers for the Panama, California Exposition. It is a perfect example of Spanish Revival architecture, complete with a ceiling made of redwood and the original benches. Note, this waiting area is for Amtrak passengers only. There is a separate entrance for the trolley further down on the right side of the station building. Right now, we're walking down Kettner Boulevard. Take a left into this outdoor walkway. It's big, but easy to miss due to the lack of signage. At the end of the walkway, be sure to validate your PRONTO Card or credit debit card that you used on the bus. There's no way to pay with cash on the trolley. We will be crossing the tracks to the southbound platform. Be sure to look both ways as this is a busy station and trains come frequently. After crossing, there's a large information board with a system map and information on riding. The station is very nice and has lots of seating and digital information displays. We will be taking a southbound Green Line train with 12th and Imperial on the head sign. After a short wait, our Siemens S70 light rail vehicle pulls into the station. The entire trolley fleet is low floor and can extend a small ramp to cover the gap between the platform and the train. The trains are in good condition and have ample seating. If you have large luggage, there's a bike area to store your bags if there's no bike occupying the space. This trip will take about 5 minutes once on board. Hey look, it's Kansas City Barbecue, the bar from the original Top Gun. I'm getting off at the Gaslamp Quarter Station. There's also a station right before this named Convention Center that you can get off at, but I believe the Gaslamp Quarter Station is better located since it lets you off right across from the main entrance of the convention center. After stepping off the train, you can either turn left from the platform and cross the tracks for the convention center, or turn right to head to the Gaslamp Quarter, hotels, and Petco Park, home of the San Diego Padres. This trip in total takes about 35 minutes and only costs $2.50. It's safe, clean, and good for the environment. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great trip.